guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Nepal. In this video I'm going to show you how we can get the Claude AI for free as a student. This is especially Claude AI. It's being very popular, and I'm also going to show you how powerful is Claude AI as it's leading in the AI zone. So this is the Claude AI. So when I sign up, it's gonna be a free version, and so if you go and see the plans, it's pretty expensive. Okay. So if I go to the pricing and pro, it's pretty expensive, like around um, $39 per month or $188, depends. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can get Claude AI for free as a student. We're going to use the Claude AI Pro. So how to apply Claude? So just search as Claude AI for students. So if you do that, you'll come to the site Claude AI for students. So there is several things you can see. So just go to the education Claude AI by Anthropic. You can see the education Claude by Anthropic. Go to this page, and then so it's the page. So navigating AI in education together. So Claude helps university maintain academic integrity. So I'm going to click on the contact our education team. So after this, you should fill all this: the first name, last name, school email, and if you are in Australia, choose the country. So the email address must be the school, like it should not be your Gmail address. It won't support your Gmail address, so it should be a school one. And in subtitle you can write student, undergraduate researcher, undergraduate researcher, anything like that, and the institution name and your university or college website. So what type of institution you are in, it's a university, how many seats are you interested in. You can select any, like 50 to 100 or 100 to 300, and this is the main part. It's how it depends how you will get it now. So you should mention, like I have mentioned this. Currently I'm a student and I'm interested in using Claude AI to support my learning and academic work. I often work on assignment, research, and written tasks, and having access to a tool like Claude would really help me improve my understanding, organize my ideas more clearly, and develop better quality work. I'm particularly interested in using Claude AI for drafting, editing, and defining and writing in a way that reflects my own thinking. It would also be helpful for breaking down complex topics into simpler explanations so I can learn more effectively. Access to Claude through the student program would make a big difference for me, as I'm actively looking for ways to study smarter, save time, and improve my academic performance. I would really appreciate the opportunity to use it as a part of my education. So this is also generated by ChatGPT. So you can generate any, I think, if you mention something like refining my writing in a way that still reflects my own thinking. That's what the AI really wants nowadays. So you should mention this type of things, that you will use your creativity, so that it's gonna help to develop the Claude AI as well for the um, so, so that's why how, and then you can apply to the submit. After that, after some times, you'll receive an email for confirmation, and you might get a chance to get a free version, as most of the people are getting. And most of the things apply to the Claude campus ambassador, it's most of them are closed already. Let's see, it's still open. Application has closed, you can see. So you can apply as soon as possible. So sign up as a student builder, it's also closed, I guess. So you should apply this as soon as possible, so it's not no longer, so that you won't miss out. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. In the future videos, I'll make more videos like how we can use Claude for a specific purpose, like how we can use Claude for running the company and connecting with the Gmail, and using automatization of email address for marketing, how do we can use for business, how we can adapt Claude AI. So I'll show you in near future, so please stay subscribed. Hope you have a lovely day. Thank you so much for today.